pa rin sa ano, sa
thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Lord, I thank you for sunshine, thank you for rain, thank you for joy, thank you for pain. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I wanna thank you, Lord, for love and care and blessing that we share. I thank you, Lord, for food we eat, for all the friends we meet. I thank you, Lord, for love and share, for every tears. I thank you, Lord, that you are caring.
wala na ako sa works yun guys. Naglipat ako ng bulk. Kaya tingnan ko, nagpapinablog ko na lang habang maalis na sila.
I thank you, Lord, for guiding, and then I thank you for the blessing, because no one cannot.
Medyo stop guys sa ano ah. So, dito na tatapusin guys. That's it for today's video. For more info and videos to come, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment there in my comment section and YouTube channel. So, may update na kayo guys ha, kung saan nyo kumikita. May TikTok account, Instagram, Threads, kung ano man yung mga social media account meron ako guys. Type mo lang pangalan ko, Chris Manatan TV. Facebook Reels, Facebook page, lahat ng ini social media account guys. I have my social media account, so don't forget to watch there. Please subscribe, don't forget. Please hit the notification bell for more info. And that's it for today's video. Yeah, thank you, bye bye, Mercs.